Hey guys, I am Abubakar, and in this video we will be talking about the Microsoft 365. First of all, we will open the Google Chrome and then we'll open the Microsoft official homepage. You can see it. This is the homepage. In this page, you can see that Microsoft and Microsoft 365, Office, Windows and Sport. Then you can see that designer for life today and tomorrow. The next generations of games, your goals, friends and family. Windows 11 was made to bring you closer to everything you love. See if your PC is ready. You can see here what's the effect of this icon. Explore the world, check for capability and compatibility, download PC help, check apps, get Windows news and updations. uh, Back into the home page, we can see all Microsoft in these softwares: Windows apps, Outlook, Skype, OneNote, Microsoft Teams, PCs, devices, shop, Xbox, accessories, entertainment, Xbox, and business, developers, and IT, and others. Free downloads and security. It's a big package and it's beneficial for all peoples. And education procedures, documentations, Microsoft Learn. Now we will see that. And searcher, search the Microsoft and as item shopping cart. In these are shopping cart, and in these, if you want to sign in your account, then you can check the interface. Sign in with your phone, Gmail and Skype. If you have no account, then create one. Sign in with a security key. It's a compulsory part. Then you next sign in options. You can check it, the sign in options. Now back into the home page. Now we will discuss about the Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365 is the productivity cloud designed to help you pursue your passion and run your business. More than just like apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft 365 brings together best in class productivity apps with powerful cloud services, device management, and advanced security in one connected expanse. Next, we will discuss about the overviews. The overviews, you can get that the latest Office apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. The next step is the ability to install on PCs, Macintosh, Apple's, oh, sorry, tablets, and phones. If you want to download it, it's a free downloads and security system. It is also connected to your mobile, tablets, and PCs and laptops. Want more? If you want more things, these are: what's the difference between Microsoft 365 and Office 2019? What's new in Microsoft 365? And get Microsoft 365 Word training. If you want to learn about more Microsoft 365, the powerfully productive with apps to create, connect, and share wherever you go. First step is create high quality reports, essays, and class presentations with smart assistant features in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Save to 5 lakh photos and files with 1 TB to OneDrive cloud storage. It's a big deal. It's a big storage memory. Enjoy an ad-free email and calendar experience with Outlook. You can use Microsoft 365 on your desktop, laptop, tablets, and your phone. We will we have discussed about it. Microsoft 365 is compatible with Windows and Android. Here is the interface Outlook for iOS and Android. Connect, organize, get things done. You can download it. You can see the image inbox and focused and others. Uh, it have also the option of filters. For business use, get Microsoft Teams for free, Microsoft 365 for business, Microsoft Viva. Welcome to your Windows 365 cloud PC. Now I have completed my topic. Okay then, guys. Alright, that's enough for today. I will be making another video soon. Stay blessed, stay safe. Have a nice day. I am signed out.